bite him. There you go, he's took one. And if we waited long enough, we'd want it mice to take some. Yep, he's took some. Told you they love cherry blossom, these guys. And moss. Is that it now? I think they've all gone. Have they? Somebody's dragged one to entrance but not took it yet. Oh, these two are feeding on something. Moss. Oh my goodness. Should have been taking photos now, shouldn't I? He's got a cherry blossom. Nope, nope, he's not keen on them. This mouse is getting stuck in. Yep. Oh, well, that said mouse. Oh, they're all down this side now. Goodness me. That's amazing. Look at little him. Well, this is an amazing video today. Goodness me. That's amazing. Brilliant. Thank you. Yep, he's taking some. Told you they like it. Yep, he can't grab it. Yep, I'm going to take it. He says, I'm having this. Nope, he's taking it instead. He's cut it and gone. I'll have that one then. Told you. Cherry blossom mad. You really are. Brilliant.